Yes, I am excited. I am a little nervous too.
That's completely normal, Lucy. You'll do great. Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
Welcome to school. Today is your first day. This is the word cat.
Cat.
Very good, Lucy.
Thank you, teacher.
Write cat again.
Yes, teacher.
Good job. Draw a house.
Yes, teacher. My picture looks nice.
Yes, it looks very nice.
Hello, my name is Lucy. Hello, Lucy. My name is Sophia. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Do you like badminton? Yes, I like badminton. This game is fun. Yes, it is fun. Would you like my sandwich? Yes, thank you. Would you like my fruit? Yes, thank you. I had a good day. I had a good day too. Goodbye, Sophia. See you tomorrow.
How was your first day?
It was very good. I learned new words.
Did you make a friend?
Yes, her name is Sophia. Hi, I'm Lucy. Today was my first day at school. If you like my video, please subscribe and like my channel. It helps me make more videos like this. Thank you. Goodbye.